In this short video, I'll show you how to check your Facebook page admin. Go to your Facebook page and go to your setting and privacy. Press on setting and privacy and go to your setting again, and then go to page setting, scroll down and use it page access. You need to select this option, press on page access, then you can check your Facebook page admin. This is the username and this is the owner of business admin, and you can easily add or remove. Suppose you want to remove, then view access, then you can remove them. And if you want to add new person, then just press on add new, next, and then you need to type their username or email address, and then once you send a request, you can make you can give access like that. Okay, hope you enjoy. Thank you for watching.